Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the customization tab in UFC 6. So if you head over to the gym and select any of the fighter from here, and then you should be able to find training, rewards, and if you have unlocked certain levels, then you should be able to find this customization tab here as well. Now to actually unlock this tab, you need to head over to the rewards section, and for this fighter I unlocked this customization tab when I reached level 11. And I think the reason I got this customization tab is because the reward I unlocked was an accessory. So if you unlock an accessory from the rewards path, then you should be able to find this customization tab. Now if I go back from here and open any other fighter rewards, I should be able to find all of the rewards he will unlock throughout the progression. But you can see that this fighter doesn't have any accessory unlocked throughout the reward. That's why I don't think I'll get the customization tab for this particular fighter. Now let's check out these fighter rewards. So we have this hat accessory at the level 14. So if I reach level 14 for this fighter, then I'll get the customization tab in this menu. So hope this clear things up. If it did, leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.